Hello everyone, how is it going? Scramble here from Emotions Crypto Trading. Welcome to my video series of daily technical analysis on the BTC for short-term and longer-term, great for scalping, day trading, and swing trading type of a data we're going to look at within the next few minutes. In the meantime, CoinMarketCap shares us we got $106 billion 24 hours volume for a market cap which is sitting at 339 at the moment. A BTC that has been able to recover a little bit in the last 24 hours while Ethereum is having slightly bigger increase. Still, within the last 7 days, we were in a total downtrend and we're hoping for a breakout very soon. In the meantime, make sure for those who are looking to become professional traders to check out scramblecoaching.com, a website which is talking about the one-on-one coaching program I'm running. Now, here we go with the BTC paired up with the US dollar. And I would like to start with the 2-hour candlesticks. And after we talk about 30-minute candlesticks as well. This is where we are with the current market, which is showing a clear downtrending pressure within the past 3 weeks. Starting from 1st of September, everything has been plummeting, especially that crash we've been through right here at the beginning. That was a quite radical one, which created multiple bottoms at $10,000, which is now our current major support level. Above that, we're able to establish at 10,200 a so-called support line, which have bottomed out yesterday on 24th of September, from where we have bounced back into the market with some great probabilities to break out of the major downtrending resistance line, which starts from the top of the 1st of September movement, which pretty much triggered a crash. That's where we are right now. We got this bottom of 10,200, which is quite important, which has shifted us back into the deal. And now we're talking about a great game out there after we got this support appearing on 10,600. That was a very difficult task for the past couple of hours to transform this 10,600 into our support line. While in the past it has been rejected us, just like you can see. When it was doing a good job for us, we were always forcing the $11,000. So the big question goes on, which by the way, right now 11,000 is somewhere here. And that is clearly above the resistance line of the major downtrend, which means in order to touch 11,000, we got to break out of this resistance line that could trigger a very powerful bullish movement towards 11,000, which is not far away after the breakout. I mean, that would be around 3%, even less than that. If we put it on 11,000, that's about 2%, guys. Necessity of price movement upwards after the breakout of the major downtrending resistance line. So a great sign is during the candlestick we're right now, which still has 4 minutes to go. Just like you can see, and I'm going to zoom in more, we had a rejection on the lower side. And that's very important because the market has tried to break below 10,600, which stepped in and supported us. And that's a very important sign of distribution of power, which is actively at 10,600. That could be the pattern of a bull flag that you guys can see here. The market goes up and then it has a little pullback, but still part of the movement, which is creating a second swing very similar to the first one. That should represent a price movement towards $11,000 for the BTC within the next period. Now, of course, the first target is going to be the resistance line, the green one, which by the way has a lot of the power. So first, if we're traders, we definitely have to see what's happening there. And once we see what's going on at the resistance line, we definitely want to make sure to trade accordingly based on the reactions we get here. Now there's still about 3 minutes to go out of this candlestick, and it's very, very nice because the rejection which appears under the body of the candlestick, which is that long, especially for the BTC, where you don't have such big movements upwards after rejecting a specific energy. In this case, you're rejecting the bears and you're going towards the bulls without continuing the pattern. Now that would tell me the next candlestick has to be closing on green. It is impossible that the next candlestick would turn red. That wouldn't be good at all. And that tells me again that we have 2 hours for that, because in 2 minutes and so, which is something you can see always under the price, you can see how many minutes are still left out of the candlestick type you're looking at, which means that we got about 2 hours in order to create a green candlestick on top of the current one starting from 650s. This green candlestick we're starting can very easily close around the 700s, which pretty much talks about this top right here that has to be forced in order to break out of the downtrending resistance line. This is going to be a difficult task, but obviously we're here to respond to the bears that were pushing during September the markets pretty aggressively downwards. We're here to respond with the best weapons we're having. And the rejection is right there. We're not falling under 10,600. The market was not allowed to fall under that, and they were surviving. So bulls are definitely having a word to say about this, which shows up very nice. Now the 30-minute candlestick is more likely short-term details, and we can see the rejection a lot better here. I'm going to explain with you the context. Well, we got a triangle with green color, which has the uptrending resistance line and the uptrending sort of away support line. This triangle has its base upwards, and it is definitely going to form a final point where a breakout has to happen anytime from now. But the thing is, just like you can see within the past hours, because we're looking at 30 minutes and we're talking about within the last 2 hours, we got this massive rejections that should be translated into the following way. Bulls have been having difficulties within the first part of the candlestick, which means within the first minutes of the candlestick, they were having difficulties on the early stages. Bears were dominating, looking for a crash under the line that would have put us into a situation to revisit 10,200 again. And that would have been very, very aggressive to have such movement and then fall back in a radical way like that without any proper reason. Especially like the entire September was bearish, guys. So we definitely have to see some comebacks into the market offered by the bulls without just letting the bears to dominate it for weeks and weeks. They already have 3 weeks since they're pushing down, and it seems like it should be enough. Now let's take a look at, because we got the new candlestick that had just started 20 seconds ago, and it seems like we're looking to go towards on the green direction. I am glad the one that has been previous, the one we're looking at, is a type of a green candlestick which has been finished successfully for the bulls without too much of a bearish rejection. Because of this pattern which appears right there, that scares a lot of the bears. It scares them. When you try to break below the line and you failed, it just scares you out. So we'll see how this one plays out. It's very important. It has 30 minutes to go, and we should not be scared about until the candlestick, is still under the time frame and it has not been closed down. We should not be scared about a potential little retracement of 0.25% for the BTC. Look at that. We can see it right now. The selling pressure is being applied. We should not be scared of such a thing because a rejection can appear at any point, just like it has appeared at the 10,600s where we have refused to fall below. And it's very important because this 10,600s have been representing a meaningful price point. Now, if they successfully support right now and we continue our movement like this and then retouch the line, that means we're going to have a nice war between bulls and the bears around the 10,750s up to 800s, right? So got to be careful around that. If a breakout happens, we got to target $11,000. If the breakout is not happening, from the 800s, we have to target down to the 500s again and see how that's going to play out. So that's pretty much all about BTC for now. That's where we are. And this is going to be a daily price analysis for the Bitcoin video series. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As well, for those of you looking to start trading professionally, feel free to check out my one-on-one coaching program located at scramblecoaching.com. And the entire video, which I'm about to present you right now with my services of trading signals, full trading done for you, and coaching, everything is going to be explained within the next minutes. As well, you can qualify for a free conversation with me if you register now and if you're interested about the coaching. I do have my primary YouTube channel with more than 300 cryptocurrency videos and technical analysis one right there that you can look at. It's going to be the link in the description area and in the comments area. This is the secondary YouTube channel where we are going to keep up with the BTC. On the primary YouTube channel, we're most likely talking about Ethereum. So that's the place for the Ethereum lovers. This is a place for the BTC lovers. Great. So let's just keep this short and straight to the point. We're going to make this kind of videos daily and build a very popular series out of it. So feel free to hit the like button and subscribe so we can meet up tomorrow in another great video about the BTC. Okay everyone, so we have reached to the part of the video where I'm going to share with you my trading results in September 2017, and on top of that there are 3 major services you can participate with me. We're going to find out more. Now right here on the left side we've got all those results. They are pointed down since September 2017, and you can take a look at the representation per month, total trades, average trades per day, average profit per trade percentage, and then the total profit and loss generated for that month. Overall, we were able to make huge profits. As for example, if you have a budget of $50,000 and you're able to make in that month 126% like you made in the last month, April 2020, that means you're going to get 126 on your portfolio out of the 50 grand. That's probably, you're going to reach up to 110 grand or so, right? So basically, making money via trading is definitely possible as long as you have a very clear strategy on the way you're trading, where all the tradings that you're applying on the market needs to have at least 80% probability of winning. If you are prepared from mentally and psychological perspective, you can do this. And then if you have the experience necessarily, so the 3 major steps to get into the successful area, guys. I've been trading since 2014 crypto, and before this I done 1 year stock market. But here we're talking about a different thing. So this statistics and results that I'm presenting you on the left side are including day trading, swing trading, and position trading at all risk levels, which means that this is my entire trading business in September 2017 on the results right there. Now, as per other services and things that you could consider and you would like to participate, we have 3 of them. Copy My Trades, full trading activity done for you, and the private one-on-one coaching program. So I'm going to explain each of this right now and decide if you guys want to go towards and find out more details and participate with me in my journey. Feel free to do that. You're welcome. So we've got Copy My Trades for a service where pretty much I'm offering swing trading signals to your email or Telegram, delivered with entry and exit prices very, very clearly sent at the time they're appearing. These swing trading signals are always having a price range in between you can act. So it's not like the day trading where you need to act exactly in that second. That's why it is not possible to have day trading signals delivered, because users need to act in that second. And it's no time for me to deliver to tens and hundreds of people, as well as my customers might not be prepared to react exactly on that second. So the entire process of day trading signals is becoming non-efficient. Well, we can do here is swing trading, and that's exactly what we're doing. They are giving you the ability to trade and open your position by having multiple hours at your position, sort of way, at your timing, at your room of timing, I would say. So, for example, you need to enter between 9,000 and 9,300 price per BTC. There is that $300 price range, which gives you room to act even within the next 2 or 3 hours or 4 hours. It's not really that urgent, just like the day trading. Usually we have between 10 and 20 trades per month going into this section of swing trading, giving you the ability to trade without any special trading knowledge, just acting within the mentioned price of entry and exit range. That's what you have to do. On top of this, you receive the coefficient number for every single trade, which is a calculation of risk and reward representation between 0 and 5. The closer it gets to 5, the higher you should put as per amount of money from your budget. That's how these trades are working. Only swing trade, attention. This is no day trading, this is no position trading. This is only swing trades. Full trading activity, which is the second service done for you. In this service, I'm offering a full trading experience with all the 3 types of trades: day trading, swing trading, and position trading. Basically, I manage your account and I do the complete trading work, just like I do on mine. This is a full copy paste of my business into yours from all levels, including budget management. So basically, every single thing that I do within my business as per trading, I do it with yours as well. This is the full trading activity done for you. Copy my trades is totally different. The full trading activity done for you is already at the highest level possible from the trading experience that I can offer. Number 3, private one-on-one coaching program. And this is the most interesting, which is having the highest demand, because people want to learn how to trade by themselves and they would like to reach financial freedom. They would like to reach security by making money online, and of course have the trader lifestyle, which is allowing you to take holidays, to take days off, to make money only once or twice a week, and then pretty much do other things with your life, anything that you enjoy and you prefer. Trading is an activity that in some way and in some places it is represented a 16 hours work activity, which isn't like that in all the cases, only if you want to do that type of trading. But there's so many ways you can go around it, guys. So it's not necessarily to do that kind of trading. That's a decision by those guys to sit 16 hours a day and trade. We're not talking about those. I'm not doing that. I wouldn't enjoy working 16 hours a day. And what's the purpose to do that if you have rewards that you can't really take advantage of? You're making money, but you can't really exchange those money into services and security and comfort if you don't have free time. So obviously, I'm not after that at all. Now here, I'm going to teach you how to trade from A to Z, starting from the most important mental and psychology aspects until the ultimate and advanced trading strategies involving structures and patterns. Every single thing you're gonna do is going to be backed up by data. It's just because that's what the market told you to do. You will understand the language of the charts. You will be able to trade based on data. You will be prepared, mentally speaking, to handle every single difficulties of the trader, which I would say for a person that trades, technical analysis and understanding the language of the market is about 30%, and 70% is the person and the brain itself, which we have to work quite a lot on. And that is, something that I do want to point out. between 4 to 6 weeks of hard work, because it's one-on-one directly with me on Skype calls, covering the needed 3 stages: psychology, technical analysis, and nav trading. Where for this one, you can find out more information. I have a long video talking about it on scrambocoaching.com. You have more info right there. You have the URL. This is the website, guys. Make sure you watch the video first. Scroll down for other details and informations, and then if you're prepared to join the coaching and get in a free conversation with me on Skype, make sure to register now. And I'll get back to you on your email with the pricings and everything. If we all agree on that, we can go towards the, and get started by teaching you how to trade. So option number 3 is exactly the private coaching is based on the saying, give a man a fish, you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. That's the story about. With the copy my trades and full trading activity, I'm kind of giving you a fish, but I'm not teaching you to fish. While the coaching is actually teaching you to fish, and you can beat yourself for a lifetime. Simple. Now, how do you get started? How you can find out more details? Well, for coaching, you have scrambocoaching.com. You complete the form and you get a free conversation with me on Skype of 15 minutes where I can, discuss and tell you more things. And then for trades and anything else, you want a custom option, you want to do this, you have plans, you have anything on your mind, you can contact me at scrambo@portalmail.com. That's the email mentioned right there where we can get in touch, guys. So that's pretty much all about this video presentation. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, keep in touch because I'm going to put out more videos like this. Hopefully this, type of services that I'm trying to offer to my community out here is helping them to reach financial freedom, security, stability, and a better life. That's my purpose right here with you guys. And that's pretty much all I can do right now. So thank you so much. Have a great day down the way, and we'll talk to you.